Okay, we're in downtown Akureyri, Iceland. And this is sort of a pedestrian street, but they do drive cars on it. So I'm going to move on to the sidewalk. 66 degrees north. They said we're only 60 miles from the Arctic Circle here. Really? Well, that's what I read anyway. Good car. Hun. That's why I pulled you over. Hey, I see a Viking with a paddle. Well, we probably want to stay down there.
It's right the mountains.
I would call it a troll or an ogre, but not a gnome. Although it could be gnome around the world. Lapi August list. Handmade. Turn in. Hey, I think that was a homework website. Turnin.com. Anyway, here it's an ice cream store. They open at noon. Noon to 10 it looks like. PM. We're going to be on our tour at noon. We're going to the Godafoss waterfall. Centrum Kitchen and Bar. Here it is. Oh, somebody's touching it. I don't mind that. The problem is they just take forever. They take forever and ever 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 and ever. Anyway, there it is. Hey, somebody's going down the slide. We rode that slide earlier. We went a little faster than him though. Maybe a lot faster. So I'm not sure what his problem is. I do know that I'm going to walk through this Akureyri picture frame. Oh, forever and ever.
Would you guys mind taking a picture?
As soon as I walk through it.
Oh, deal. Okay.
He's teasing you.
No, I'm not. So I can stop recording.